The U.S. has lost 24 million acres of natural land between 2001 and 2017.
The Trump administration is responsible for the largest reduction of federally protected land in U.S. history.
Plans to drill for oil in ANWR, where the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge.
100 million acres of land in the greater Appalachian region is barren and unusable.
Areas of southern Minnesota have lost 90% or more of their original wetlands.
The move by the Trump administration to drastically shrink the amount of land protected at Bears Ears.
Clear cutting,
Agriculture,
logging,
Strip mining,
energy development, housing, other human factors.